Access Control System series of tutorials.
Step 1. Add one cloud controller. The serial number IP must be filled in correctly and the model selects HTTP Online Sluice. The controller has not communicated yet. Step 2. Enter the IP of the controller and enter the built-in management page of the controller. The username is admin and the password is 68. Click Network on the left menu. The controller IP can be set. If the server is on the internet, the gateway must be filled in correctly. The communication protocol is HTTP. Set the server IP and port number. The address opened by the BS software. The address of the BS software in this example. The IP is 192.168.5.132 and the port is 9527. Restart the controller after saving. Go back to the network configuration and you can see that the communication is connected. The controller in the BS software also communicates normally.